Grace Mugabe's farm manager arrested after looted wheelchairs found at his farm. Harare, two of Robert Mugabe's cabinet ministers, including one who managed several of the former First Family's farms, have been arrested after looted farm equipment was found on his property. Former Agriculture Minister Joseph Maid and former Provincial Minister Jason Mugabe are facing charges of abuse of office, said the state-run Herald. Chocolate, ice cream, yogurt Maid used to help manage some of the Mugabe's farms, including former First Lady Grace Mugabe's flagship Alpha Omega dairy that produces chocolate, ice cream and yogurt for the local market. He was a key enforcer of Mugabe's controversial land reform program that saw farms seized from up to 400 white farmers from 2000 onwards. A separate report in the Herald said officials discovered farm equipment and inputs allegedly looted and left to rot at Maid's own farm in eastern Manicaland province. The equipment includes brand new irrigation pipes, 7 tractors, 7 state-of-the-art planters, 3 ridgers, disc harrows and 10 center pivots, a top district official, Postans Terangwa told the paper. Wheelchairs and walking aids also discovered hoarded in a warehouse on the farm were several tons of fertilizer and seed, some of it expired, and, bizarrely, wheelchairs and walking aids. Mugabe is accused of having corruptly sold land in Midlands province to private land developers. 6 of the developers have been summoned for questioning by police, said the Herald. The 2 high-profile arrests follow the Wednesday arrest of ex-Mines Minister Walter Chiakwa. He said to be one of Mugabe's nephews and an ally of Grace. Zero tolerance. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has promised zero tolerance of corruption. His new government, formed in the wake of Mugabe's dramatic ouster in November, is desperate to lure foreign investment by presenting itself as clean and trustworthy. In his first State of the Nation address on Wednesday, Mnangagwa said every case of corruption should be investigated and punished. There should be no sacred cows, he said. There will be murmurings though that this is a clampdown on Mugabe's allies in Grace G40 faction, which did its best to quash Mnangagwa's chances of ever succeeding Mugabe before the military stepped in on November 15. Mugabe eventually resigned after 37 years in power.